Capital R. R for rose. Small r. R-O-S-E. Rose. R for ring. Capital W. W for watch. W-A-T-C-H. Watch. A hen. A car. This is a boy. That is a girl. Children, this is used to point nearby objects. That is used to point distant objects. That is a tree.
A. ஏலக்காய் ஏனி
ஞ
இங் கூட்டல் அ ங ங
த
இக் கூட்டல் அ தா தக்காளி
ரா
இர் கூட்டல் ஆ ரா விறகு கட்டு
நான்கு, எட்டு, இரண்டு, ஐந்து, 39, 50.
Wound. A say anar. A say ajigar. You start letter A first. Write 3, but extend the down curve a bit above. Then put a small sleeping line, and then you put 1. Then above a small sleeping line. Take it towards the side portion that is coming like. Then complete the letter R by drawing the top line. Ye. This is dirgha ye. Never you should pronounce ye. This is not ye. This is ye. Here it's very simple. First, we begin with a standing line, then slanting line, parallel standing line, completing the letter with the top line.
ஆறு six ch பழங்கள் fruits ஃபல் திராட்சை
grapes,
अंगूर
one N-E one I'm heavy. I'm light. I'm less. We are more. We are more. I'm less.
One banana added with 2 more bananas, we get 3 bananas.
There were 7 mangoes on a tree. 2 mangoes fell down on the ground. How many mangoes are left on the tree now? 5 mangoes. 5 minus 2 is equal to 1, 2. Answer is 3.
There are many types of plants on earth. Big plants are called trees. They have very thick stems. Coconut tree, banyan tree, mango tree, banana leaf, rose leaf, lotus leaf, bluebell, poppy, capital A, small a. A for apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. T-R-E, a box. A fish. A fish. A zip, a car, and a bus.
ஈரெழுத்துக்கள் 12 ஊசி சீப்பு
Dear cuties, compare the following objects. Which one is big and which one is small? I'm big. I'm small.
6 is between 5 and 7. 7 is between 6 and 8. 8 is between crab,